Hello friends, I welcome you all to Prepare IAS Academy. Here we are going to launch our foundation course for UPSC CSE 2022. So the course has been framed exclusively for the people who are currently working and for the people who are currently in their colleges, because this exam needs a lot of dedication, patience, consistency and a proper time management, which is a big challenge for the people who are in current now, who are working and who are actually in the colleges. Fine. So here we are with a solution. All right, now so looking into some detail about the course, this is a 5-month course which will be exclusive for the prelims exams, and the entire syllabus of prelims exam will be covered under this. So we'll be providing lectures which will cover your basics of your entire prelim syllabus, and each and every student will have a student portal, and in through that portal you will be able to access the videos for 5 months, so you can watch these videos any number of times within these 5 months. Fine. And in addition to that, we'll be providing weekly current affairs, which is also part of your foundation course. So weekly current affairs lectures will be there, and test series where 30 prelims tests and 10 mains tests is also a part of your foundation course, and notes will be provided for each and every lecture. So detailed PDF notes will be provided, and monthly current affairs compilation PDFs is also provided under this course. Alright guys, so looking into the subjects which are going to be covered under this foundation course: ancient history, medieval history, modern history, art and culture, polity, economics, geography, environment, science and tech, and some miscellaneous subjects. So everything is covered. In addition to that, your current affairs will also be covered under this. Fine. Now we have to look how different we are from others. The first and foremost thing is we treat everyone equal, whether they are freshers or whether they are pro, they have some experience, we treat them equally. And the preparation will start from a very low profile. So basic understanding, basic reading, newspaper reading, and some basic components which have to be read, for UPSC. We'll start from them, and then gradually we'll increase the intensity of our preparation. And concept clarity test will be provided. As I already mentioned, that we'll be providing PDFs for each and every lecture. So in those PDFs we'll have some concept clarity questions, and doubt clarification sessions will be done. So weekly 2 sessions, doubt clarification sessions. And the peculiar thing about this session is these will be in bilingual. तमिल இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு வந்து தமிழ்ல இருக்கும் ஃபுல்லாவே, and जो भी नॉर्थ से हैं उन सबकी हिंदी में होगी doubt clarification sessions, and it will be done by the experts. And mentorship till you crack your exam. So we'll be providing you mentorship till you crack. Mentorship doesn't mean that we'll be providing you videos. No, we'll be giving you guidance. So if you have any doubts, we'll clarify your doubts. So those sort of mentorship will be provided, and weekly assignments will be given. So we'll make you prepare your own notes, because that is what the most important component in your UPSC exam. You have to prepare your own notes. And special sessions by the field experts, those who are already in services, and some other field experts, doctors. So we'll have some special sessions, so that it will be apart from your UPSC journey, you should also have some engagements with the experts. And map making and map marking, very important component, will make you these are part of your mains portion. But as of now, since this is a prelims oriented, later on after this course, after this 5-month course, we'll also launch the mains oriented course. So in that mains oriented course, you will have, it will be totally in the mains perspectives. But for that we'll give some groundwork here itself. So map making, map marking, infographic making. So all these elements are very important for your mains answer writing. So we'll give all the inputs from here itself, so that when you join the mains course, it will be easy for you. And we'll have some debate sessions on contemporary issues. So what will happen is, once you participate in these debates, your morale will increase, and you'll be able to represent yourself on any public platform. It will increase, it will develop your personality, how you put forward your thoughts and point of view, and it will also increase the dimensions of looking into the various perspectives of the issues or things which is happening around you. So all these things are part of our foundation course, and the fee structure of this course is 4,999 inclusive of all taxes. This is, again I'm saying, this is exclusively for prelims. So after this 5-month course, we'll be launching the mains oriented course, which will be again available till you write your mains exam. And guys, this course will be launched on April 11, that is on Sunday, coming Sunday morning 10 a.m. we'll have a live session, Google session, with Mr. Vishnu M. IRS, who is an Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax in Mysore, and he has secured All India rank 285 in UPSC Civil Services examination. And the enrollment will start from Monday onwards, that is from April 12 onwards. So if you have any queries, you can find us at these platforms. Thank you for your time, and all the best.